are going to understand why we need statistics in economics. Okay, so what is statistics? It is a mathematical tool used to present data in numerical form. As we have learned in our school times, how the statistics are done and how we use one factual data to represent it in a numerical form. In number forms, we use variables, we use data accordingly to make a tabular format of a information which we have. Okay, and in economics, why do we need this tool? It's to collect, analyze, summarize, and present any economic quantitative or qualitative data can be represented in a statistical format. It is very helpful because when you understand a particular economic problem, there are more factual information in it. So factual information make a problem very sound and clear. It clarifies the actual problem. It helps us to find the root cause of that particular problem. We will see how it is used here. So how this statistics in economics to solve the economic problems is used. So here the economic problem arises. Okay, then the economists collect the particular data. Look here, they collect the particular data, summarize it using mean, variance, standard deviation, etc. kind of a tools. I will be explaining this in the next video, all these tools. And then when you summarize that particular data, the economist analyze that particular data to find the root cause of the problem. To find the root cause is a very essential thing to do while solving a particular economic problem. Then they formulate a particular policy. So how the policy is kind of implemented is that union government and the economic department come together to formulate a particular policy, and then that policy and the helps needed and the support needed to that policy is given to the states, to the state government, and then when the implementation of that policy begins. So this policy helps to mitigate this economic problem which has arisen. This is how the statistical is really important in economics. Then why we need statistics? Why? It condenses a mass data into a proper numerical data. As I said earlier, any data can be presented in statistical method. Factual is better than judgment or unclear statement. If you see, I just tell you there are like hundreds of people died due to coronavirus and stuff like that. But if I give you the factual actual data, like these many peoples from these much populations have died at this particular time period, it would be more convincing and it would be more trustable rather than just judgment and just improper statements, right? So how the economics use this tool is it's to verify the relation between economic factors, predict future trend, know relations between economic factors. Here, verify the relation between economic factors. What I mean is that economist can at certain point think of verifying a particular relation. For example, the demand and supply of a particular product is in relation with some price changes indicators. So to verify that particular relation, statistics can also be used. Now to predict the future trend, well, there are the assumptions and the past data required here to predict the future trend. So the past data can be formed in a statistical method, and then the present scenario can be done in statistical, and analyzing the whole thing economists predict the future trends of an economic system. Now, know the relations between economic factors. If there is any kind of a relations between any of the economic variables, we can be economics can use this tool to understand that particular relations. So here is the mind map for statistics and economics. For the introduction, this is the basic one. We will be continuing this in future. Thank you.